Hi everyone, this is Kalan, and in this video we will see the complete installation of Python and Jupyter Notebook. Then we will also see some of its customizations and Jupyter Notebook shortcuts. So let us come to the download part. How do we download the Python? For downloading the Python, you will have to write Python download. So you will get a first website python.org. You will tap on that, and this will open, and there will be an option of downloading the Python, and this will be current version. You will click on that button, Python download, and it will start downloading in your system. So as I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. I will open this, and let us come to the installation part. So by default you will not do anything in this. You will just click on this install, so it will start installing new system. You will click on yes. I have already installed it, so I will not do it again. I will cut it, and now what you will do is you will open your cmd, and in that cmd you will write python. So you will get a current version, that what you have downloaded just now, you will get that version now. So I'm getting the version. If you are not getting the version, and if you are getting an error like Python is not recognized as internal or external command, so what you will have to do is you have to set up the path for that. In that case you have to set up Python path. For setting path, you will go to start and tap Python. Now you will get this. Right click on this, open file location. I will repeat the process again. Go to start Python, you will tap, and there will be an option of opening the file location here also, or you can right click on this, open file location. Now copy this path, or right click and copy. Now go to this, start type environmental variables, enter. Now click enter. Now here click environmental variables. Now you can see I have there is a path of Python in my system, but in your case this should not be in your case. If you are getting an error in this command cmd, that Python is not recognized an internal command, so in that case you should not this should not be in your computer. So what you have to do is click on new, and variable name you can give any, like I am giving here Python, and in the variable value you will paste the part just you have copied from this location, Python location, and you will click on ok. Okay, then ok, and ok. So now again you will open the cmd and you will write Python. So you will definitely, you should get this current version. Okay, so now we are done with the Python installation and setup. Now we will install the Jupyter notebook. For opening, downloading Jupyter notebook, you will open the cmd again. Now write pip. So before downloading, you should consider a point that you have to upgrade your pip version of Python. So for upgrading the pip, you will write python pip install upgrade pip. Now hit enter, and it will upgrade your current pip version. I have done all this process, so this might show that yes, could not find a version of the satisfied requirement upgrade because I have already done it. So in your case this error should not be there. And after that we will install the Jupyter notebook. So now you will write python pip install Jupyter notebook. Now hit enter, and it will start the downloading. So in my case it is showing that requirement already satisfied because I have done all these things. So this will not repeat, I will not repeat the process, and this will definitely not upgrade more, because this cannot upgrade or this cannot install twice. So now what you will do is we will open now our Jupyter notebook in the window in the browser. So now opening Jupyter notebook, what I will do is I will go to my desktop, because I want to open my Jupyter notebook on the desktop folder. And now you can see Here I will create a folder name. mkdir means make directory, and I will give folder name as first. So I will hit enter. Now you can see there is a first folder created here in my desktop. I will now change directly to my first folder. Okay, now I'm inside the first folder. Now I will open the Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook. When you will hit enter, then you can see Jupyter notebook will open in my browser. Just wait a while, and now you can see it has opened in my browser. Now you will get this type of interface. What you will do is, so before doing anything, let us make a customization part of our Jupyter notebook. What I will do, I will cut this window, and I will also cut this. Now open CMD again. Now let us first, you just saw that our Jupyter notebook was in, default color was black, sorry, white. So what I will do is I will customize it. I will change its theme. So for changing theme, what you have to do, install the mm, pip install Jupyter themes. You will write this command, and Jupyter theme will be installed in your system. In my case, I have done, so this will show requirement already satisfied. So now I will check the list as I have already downloaded it, or you will type this command and you will download it. Now you will write JT means Jupyter theme and L means Jupyter theme list. When you will hit enter, it will show all the list of themes available for the Jupyter notebook. So now I will apply one theme. You will write JT T means Jupyter themes, and Monokai I will apply. I will hit enter, and you will get this. Yes, I have applied this. Now I will change that directly to my desktop again, change to my first folder, and now I will open the Jupyter notebook. Now you can see my Jupyter notebook will be in Monokai themes. You can see this is in black color. Okay, so any color you can pick from this list. Here is a list available, all these. So what I will do is I will cut this again, and I will now show you that how to reset to default. Now open the CMD again, and now I'm going to desktop again into first folder. Now for resetting your theme, you will write JTR means Jupyter theme reset. You will hit enter, and you will get that reset CSS font default in default. Now when you will open the Jupyter notebook again, you will get you will get the Jupyter notebook interface in the, I mean, default color. This is white. So now we have seen the installation of Python and Jupyter themes. Now let us come to this shortcuts part, that I will show you some of the shortcuts for Jupyter. Now create the new Python file by creating a new Python, and you will get the list of Python. You can give here name, like this is my first Python. I will hit enter, so you can see here is also name changed. So now I will write one print statement in the Python. I will write my name. Okay, now for running the program, you can either click on run, so it will create new cell and it will run the current program. Now I will write again hi. So for running, there is a three options. Either you can click on run, or you can click control enter. So control enter will not create new cell, it will just run the current cell only. And there is also an option of shift plus enter. So shift plus enter will create new cell. You can see shift plus enter will create new cell, like this run button. Okay, and control plus enter will only run, not create new cell. So now we have seen this. Now what we'll do is, let us change this code. Like I want to give this as a heading, that this is my heading. So I want to change it to markdown. There is a, you can see there is a four option: code, markdown, raw, and heading. So for changing this code into markdown, what you will do is, you can either click on this, okay, or you can also click on this, or if you want to do by doing do if you want to do using your keyboard, then you can click on, you can press escape plus M. Okay, so you can see this has been changed into the markdown. So markdown is basically a heading, or if you want to give the topic heading, so you can choose the markdown, in which you can either add bullet points, or you can add some headings, anything. So for adding headings, I will write one hash. One hash means heading first, two hash means heading second, three hash means heading third, or minus, like I'm giving the bullet points, minus B. By giving a space you will, and when you will hit control plus enter, then you can see this markdown cell. When you will hover this, you will get the markdown. This is in markdown mode. This is my heading. So I will write this is markdown, hit enter. So if, and now if you want to change this markdown into code, then you will click escape plus Y. So now you can see this is in code mode, and again escape plus M means this is in markdown. Hit enter, control plus enter. So now we have seen this. Now again I will write some statement. I will copy paste this. Okay, so now I want to comment this. For commenting this, you will directly in the code section, you will press shift plus hash. So you can see this is in, this has been commented, so this will not print this current line. You can see from high it is printed. And for deleting a row, like if you want to delete the whole row, then what you will do, you will press control plus D. You can see I will show you again, control plus D. So this is deleted, current row is deleted, whole control. Like if you have many things written on your current row, and if you want to download, then you will not press the back button, or you will select and delete. You will just click and control D. Okay, so now we have seen this. Now we will create new cell, like below this and above this cell I want to create new cell. For that you will press escape plus A, means above, create new cell above, or escape plus B means create new cell below, below the current cell. I will repeat this again, control plus A will create above, and control plus B means create, sorry, escape plus B below. Don't worry, I will give you all these commands, and in the comment box you can see, or in the description box you can see every command I will paste there. Don't worry about that, just keep concentrating on how this is working. So now if I want to delete this, like I have deleted accidentally, suddenly I have deleted, and for undo you will click on control Z, or for redo you will click on control Y. Means control Y means what we have done before will be done, or control Z means what we have done will be undo everything. Okay, so after that we will see control plus C, select all, control plus A will select all, control plus C will copy, control plus V will paste. If this is a basic command, you must have the idea about these things. After that, if you want to change this into row, as we have seen the markdown, escape plus M is markdown, escape plus Y in the code. If you want to change into row, then escape plus R will change into raw. Or if you want to change this into heading, escape plus 1 will change into heading 1, escape plus 2 heading 2, escape plus 3 means heading 3. Likewise, you can create escape plus any number will create that types of heading. So I think pretty much we have got the concept of shortcuts. So I think there is you can also check by going to this help section and keyboard shortcuts. So there is many things available inside that you can explore all these things. So for now we have done all this. We have installed the Python, we have installed the Jupyter themes, Jupyter notebooks, and we saw all these commands. So you can subscribe our channel for more such videos. If you like this video, then please share with all your friends.